some of our weather producers have been. They are getting reports of the tornado moving into the Louisville area.
And this could be from Justin, just walked along here. The storm is off to the west. The mountains are all down, and now Kennedy confirmed the tornado debris signature rebound. So there is a tornado in progress. It is producing damage. Let's continue along here.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hinds County and central Mississippi, central Warren County and west central Mississippi until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vicksburg and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bovine and Newman around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Edwards and Flowers around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Youngton around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bolton around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brownsville around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Hinds, and Warren.